This is not just a house, it's a destination. Imagine a private island, meticulously crafted by design, light, and intention, where architecture does not compete with nature, but becomes one with it. Every line is purposeful, every curve engineered for elegance. Stone, glass, and water exist in serene harmony, framing the horizon rather than breaking it. Here, arriving is an experience, not hurried, not announced, just felt deeply. Spaces unfold effortlessly. Living areas blend seamlessly into the ocean's embrace as natural light flows through marble and air. Here, silence speaks volumes. Luxury doesn't need to shout. It understands the beauty of restraint. Think of the world's most exclusive islands, Dubai, the Maldives, where privacy is the ultimate luxury. Interiors are designed to breathe. Double-height ceilings and sculptural forms. Materials chosen not to impress, but to endure. Every room is oriented towards the view, because that view is the masterpiece. Bedrooms? They feel like private resort suites, where mornings arrive gently and where the sea greets you first. Bathrooms transform into sanctuaries, with stone, water, and light harmonizing, slowing time to a whisper. Even the quiet spaces have a voice. Closets resemble private boutiques. Kitchens make architectural statements. Every detail refined, yet never excessive. Outside, boundaries vanish. Pools merge with the horizon. Terraces hover above the water. The island itself becomes an extension of home. This sanctuary isn't crafted for crowds. It's designed for those who cherish silence, space, and clarity. A place where luxury is defined not by excess, but by freedom. Freedom to arrive slowly, to live without interruptions, to exist above the cacophony of the world. This isn't just the future of living, it's the future of living well.